Hello and welcome UFC fans to fight between Donnie and Mel Gibson, Mad Max versus one of probably the best martial artists of today, Donnie Yen.
An expression of combat known worldwide, now available at tapout.com. And now with our official introductions, Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this man is a wrestler.
This is Mad Max, you see Motors, Harley Davidson. Pretty much looks like Mel.
And now, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a striker. Stands
Donnie Yen
9 inches tall.
a bit taller, a little bit.
And when the action begins,
Mel Gibson very strong.
in charge of this contest is Eve.
The Maniac, Razor.
Let's see. Do not underestimate Mel Gibson due to his stomach. He is a really tough opponent. You know one thing, that's Mad Max.
They're setting up
It's just a Mad Max.
They are not enjoying this. Oh, big kick. Huge
He has those biker punches.
His head back, Mike. He caught the kick. Beautiful hook. Nice body shot and then hook combination.
Mel only goes forward, he is very hard-hit fighter.
He is landing at will, Mike. He's got his back
Mel
here.
Gibson takes his leg.
Oh, beautiful hook.
Donnie Yen counters.
He caught the leg. He's got it, but he's down.
Oh, Donnie Yen is now on Mel.
Man, those are knockdown punches, Joe. Vicious punches. from
Donnie
the
Yen
top,
with
Mike.
hammer fists.
Passes to half guard. And back to full guard. Going for
Oh
overhand here.
man.
Full guard here.
Donnie Yen stopping Mel's transitions. I told you he is good on the ground.
Oh, that right hand. Moves in a half guard.
Donnie Yen really good on the ground.
And again, he loves throwing that punch.
Going for that hammer fists.
Transitions to the full mount. He's got side control. Half guard. Big right hand.
Oh, those hammer fists are landing.
Yes, and really raining
Mel
down
Gibson
his
recovers. It's a bit annoying. Oh no, Mel Gibson takes him down.
Passes to half guard.
Donnie Yen is solid on the ground.
Total control from the top position.
Mel Gibson goes to the ground persistently.
Oh, he's rocked. Oh,
Those hammer fists are heavy and landing, and this is a knockdown. A TKO victory. Mel Gibson did not recover. Great fight.
Razor.
Mel Gibson looks to be angry, but really, Donnie Yen was dominating. He's angry for nothing.
And that's the beginning of the end. Gets on top of him and swarms on him. Look at it from this angle.
Great striking. Really, a pure victory.
And with our
For
official
Donnie.
decision, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Eve Levine has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 6 seconds of the very first round, declaring the winner by TKO Razor.
Donnie Yen with a victory, really quick victory.